And a good Monday morning, everyone. It is February the 10th. Hope your morning is off to a great start and is going to be moving in a positive direction throughout the day today. Certainly looks like a Monday morning outside with the damp conditions, a little light fog, some drizzle, as we like to say, drizzly and miserable, drizzerable. And it's not going to get a whole lot better through the day today, as we're going to see plenty of clouds and occasional showers or dampness through the day today. Talk all about that coming up in just a couple of minutes. I would love to give you an Oscar recap, but quite honestly, I tried to watch, could not watch, so I didn't watch. So I'm not fully aware of who won what and how many, because I tried, and then I discovered that the NHL Network was showing Miracle, and they were having some dialogue because the 40th anniversary is coming up. So once I got hooked on Miracle, then that took care of that. All right, let's show you real quick my favorite website. It is PittsburghWeatherNow.com, and this is the way it looks when you log on. You'll find this beauty of a homepage where you have everything whiteboard weather, you have photo galleries, you have educational videos, fun facts of the day, the whiteboard weather theme song, the Pittsburgh Weather Now shop, and you scroll down the page and you can easily access a number of the sponsors of the site and the services that they provide. And you can see our all-weather wealth tips, a new one coming out today, the Seven Springs Mountain Cam. Here's our Buell Insurance Agency photo gallery, and as we get closer to spring, you're going to want to start planning ahead for those spring projects. And Martin Lawn Services and Photos, you click on their site and it's going to show you some photos and videos from their job site and some of the work that they do, so you can contact them directly. Or if you're going to the Home and Garden Show coming up in a few weeks, they're going to be there primely positioned. Look for Martin Lawn Services at the Home and Garden Show coming up in just a couple of weeks. And ask for Doug Martin. He'll hook you up. Here's a look at some current radar conditions outside. Again, light rain and drizzle if you're outside last evening. You know, this started off as a period of some flurries and light snow, but quickly transitioned over to light rain as temperatures started to warm. We're now at 40 degrees or better in most locations, and we're starting to see at least the most widespread rain tapering off to a lighter, more intermittent or scattered shower setup, and that'll be the case right through the afternoon. It's going to be overcast and it's going to be damp, and we're going to see occasional showers on and off through the day and even into the early part of this evening. Here's a look at some current temperatures. Again, most places are reporting some light rain and drizzle. We have 42 in Newcastle, Beaver Falls 43, 42 in Pittsburgh, 43 in both Washington as well as Latrobe. And you'll notice those dew point values, that's DP, right close to the temperature. So in areas that the winds are just a tad lighter, you may see a little bit of light fog. It's not especially thick because there is enough of a wind, in most cases at least 5 miles an hour, to keep the atmosphere stirred up just enough to not let any thick fog really form. But you may have some reduced visibility, and what I'm talking there is maybe you don't have clear 10-mile visibility, but maybe something like 2 or 3 mile visibility, just with some of that dampness and the low stratus clouds that are hanging overhead to start off this morning. So, as I said, not a real pleasant start to our week and certainly our Monday. Today is National Home Warranty Day today. It is National Clean Out Your Computer Day today, and appropriately enough, it's National Umbrella Day today. We could not have timed that any better, but In Pittsburgh, it seems like lately, most days have been National Umbrella Day. Born on this day, NFL star Ty Law from Aliquippa, played a number of seasons with a number of teams. I think he won a couple Super Bowls. Greg Norman, the Shark, the golfer. Also a local product, John Calipari from Moon Township, who still coaches college basketball at the University of Kentucky. If you're a fan of Mad Money on CNBC, you know who Jim Cramer is. And also Elizabeth Banks, the fine actress, and Laura Dern, who I did read won an Academy Award last night. So Laura Dern celebrates with an Academy Award and her birthday in back-to-back days. So you're up to speed now. If you have a birthday today or someone you know has one as well. Let's head over to the whiteboard. Break it down for this Monday. Say good morning to you once again, all of you checking in. I do appreciate it. And yes, it is Valentine's week, Kara or Cara, as we will round out the week with Valentining by Friday. Here's 8 o'clock this morning, 42, some light rain and some light fog. And then at noon, 44, occasional showers, and 46 the high temperature. So a tight temperature range today. Not a lot of movement, of about 4 degrees from start to finish, and that means we'll be locked into that low mid 40 degree range much of the day today with overcast and damp conditions. Now that is above normal. Normal highs run around 38, so we'll be about 5 to 6 degrees above normal today. Rain total, again, occasionally throughout the day, I think we pick up 2/10 to maybe 3/10 of an inch of additional rain. There is a daily precipitation threat and chance through Thursday. And that doesn't mean it's going to rain the entire time, and I think it's mostly a rain chance with near to above average temperatures. But I think at some point every day, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're going to see some precipitation. We're not going to get a dry day from start until finish. And eternal cloudiness will continue all week. I know most of you or many of you have said, we need some sunshine. I want some sunshine. I wish I had better news, but I don't. We are going to be the land of eternal cloudiness, the land that sunshine forgot throughout this week once again. So you're going to have to get your sunshine, unfortunately, somewhere else. So let's look at your Wake Up whiteboard for this Monday morning, the 10th day of February. As I mentioned, today, National Umbrella Day today. Did you know that umbrella comes from the Latin word umbros, which means shade or shadow, and that umbrellas started as a female fashion accessory, and then at some point in the mid-18th century, men started carrying umbrellas for obvious reasons to keep themselves from getting wet. And every year, over 33 million umbrellas are sold, most of which are manufactured in China. Just saying, for what that's worth. All right, that is going to do it for today. And I hope you have a great Monday. As always, please share Wake Up Whiteboard Weather with your Facebook friends. The more you share, the more people can join. And the more people that join, the bigger our community becomes. So please share it. Let's push it out to as many people as possible. I'll be on as per usual, 3 o'clock this afternoon. Enjoy your Monday. See you at 3. Peace.